Hey girl, and welcome back to the Pink Bubble. I am super excited about this cute little look. It does feature the JUVIA'S Base palette, the Sweet Pink. I like this palette a lot. I really enjoyed this look, how it came together. And of course, y'all know JUVIA'S Base eyeshadows are super pigmented. So I love it. I hope you guys get into it. Let's just get straight into it. I'm not even gonna talk a lot. Make sure you comment though. Make sure you like and make sure you subscribe to your girl. So let's go ahead and get into it.
Alright y'all, so we are starting off with the JUVIA'S Base, the Sweet Pink palette, and I'm going to grab this light pink color to act as my transition color. So I'm going to place that closest to my brow. I'm going to tap it on and then just start to blend once it's enough product on there for me. Just continue to blend it out until it's to your liking. Everything's nice and even. Next, I'm going to grab this bright pink color and I'm going to put that right on top of the transition color. And I'm going to first start by tapping it on just to get the product and the color payoff on there. And then I'm going to start to blend into the transitional pink color, as well as blending both of the products together, blending it out so that it's nice and smooth. So now I'm going to get the LOUISE eyeshadow base in this pink color. I have been having so much fun using these colorful eyeshadow bases. So I'm just going to use this one to cut my crease with. I'm going to start from the inner tear duct and bring it all the way out to the middle point because we are going to do a half cut crease. And then I'm just going to fill it in. Grab me a random eyeshadow brush that has no product on it and smooth it out, patting the product all out, just to have a even base so that we could prepare to put some shimmer on top of this cut crease. So now I'm going to grab this light pink shimmer eyeshadow to put just in the inner corner tear ducts of my eyes. What I'm trying to create is a ombre pink shimmer effect on the cut crease. So I'm just going to put that in the inner tear duct. Now I'm going to grab this brighter pink shimmer eyeshadow and I'm going to put that in the middle right next to the light pink. Like I said, I'm trying to create the ombre, so I'm going to put that right next to it, patting it on to get the best payoff possible. I didn't really feel like the shimmer eyeshadows was really coming out as bright and pigmented as they look in the palette, but I think it's because I was using the flat eyeshadow brush instead of a fluffy brush to apply the shadow on. And lastly, we're going to grab the fuchsia pink shimmer eyeshadow in the middle, and we're going to put that on the outer corners of the eyes, blending it into the brighter pink in the middle just to give it that ombre effect and make sure it's nice and cute, nice and bright. And now I'm going to grab the matte fuchsia eyeshadow and put that right next to the shimmer and kind of blending it into that fuchsia shimmer, as well as blending it upward toward the lighter pinks at the top, just so it's nice and blended. You're getting the blended effect as well as the ombre effect, you know, going on, mixing it into the cut crease, just so it's really cute and seamless. So next I'm going to get my pink NYX liquid liner to draw out my wing liner. I am not going to keep just the pink wing liner on, even though it was super cute. But no, I needed to bring some more life to this look because the shimmers wasn't doing enough for me. So I'm going to use some NYX glitter along with my Duo eyelash glue to apply some glitter on top of that wing liner. So I'm just going to start from the inner tear duct, adding the glitter piece by piece, and then working my way out, just following the lines in which I drew the liner out to give me a little pop, give me a little something more going on. You know, I'm a little extra sometimes, so this gave me just a little hint of extra, but not too much. And now I'm just going to throw these lashes on. These are the lashes from Wildcat. I have been loving these lashes lately. It comes with 5 in a pack. They're not expensive. I paid like $7.99. I found them at the beauty supply. So I'm just gonna throw these on and finish up the look with some lipstick. I did apply my foundation off camera just because I wanted to focus on the eyeshadow in this video. So I'm going to throw on some mascara, and then I'm using the MAC pencil in the color Cork to line my lips with. And then I'm going to use the JUVIA'S lipstick. I'm not sure the color, but I'll have it down below. But it's like a nude pink. It's like a soft nude pink. And I'm going to put that lipstick on. But I have to be honest with y'all. After looking at my face once I was done recording, I didn't like the cork matched with this lipstick. What I did was I just topped it off with some lip gloss off camera. And she's done.
Alright, thank you all for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy making it for you all. Again, make sure you're here for the next video dropping this Thursday. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social sites at Yes It's Dollface. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.